Hey guys, JDeWitt9 here. Our one box of National Treasures finally got here, so this better have something sick in it for this wait we had to have. I'm gonna bust her. Let's see. Alright, checklist like always. I'm going to take them all out this time. Alright, let's see what we got. First card is Steve Van Buren. Base card. Numbered 100 of 125. That's for the Eagles. Next card, Jeffrey Webb for the Chiefs. Numbered 50 of 52. This is a pretty sweet card here. Looks like the autograph is a little smeared on here, unfortunately. Deacon Jones jersey autograph here. The Jones part looks like it's a little smeared at the bottom. Not bad, but or not smeared, maybe faded. The pen was going out of ink. 1 of 25 for the Rams. It's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, we gotta pull one of these guys. Marcus Vick. For the Dolphins, and I traded the Dolphins to Weaver 505, so here you go, buddy. You got a Marcus Vick. Numbered 50 of 50. Man, that's a sick patch there, but probably not our most favorite player. Charlie Whitehurst. 1, 2, 3. Man, the patch is sick. It's a super thick card too. Numbered 37 of 99 for the Chargers. Next, Steven Jackson patch, 2-color patch. Numbered 13 of 25. And last card, sweet card, Johnny Unitas, 2-color jersey, and it is numbered 21 of 25. So there's our box, guys. Could have been better. Could have definitely been better. I'll give you a recap of the cards here. Marcus Vick, Charlie Whitehurst, Deacon Jones, Jeffrey Webb, Johnny Unitas, Steven Jackson, and our base was Steve Van Buren. Alright guys, thanks.